Alright guys, giving the yellow Kraton a little break from unfortunately another shock rod end breakage. So gonna run the Typhon. So I haven't really had a lot of time spent with this thing. It man, those fans are noisy. Unfortunately, right off the bat, broke this guy doing a street bash, pretty gnarly one, and completely smashed in one of the shock bodies, and broke a bunch of other pieces. But yeah, we'll give her out in a little dirt spot. That way I could get a better feel for it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Definitely a lot twitchier than the Kraton. In the bushes. Whoa. Oof. That could have been bad. Dirt donuts. Yeah, I think that this thing might be so twitchy just because I haven't rebuilt any of the front, or I haven't rebuilt the front and rear diffs, and I've just done the center, put my you know, blend of herbs and spices in it, which is 200,000 weight, and it's really twitchy. It seems like some of the wheels are unloading, but I guess it's still drivable. Man. So I've just got the let me think. I think I've got a 16 tooth pinion in this, so might be geared a little high. Woohoo! Oh man, that was close. Let's see. They'll survive just fine. Oh, let's just wander off that way. Uh-oh. There we go. Back on the wheels. That was a gnarly crash. Yeah. Looks fine. Front bumper looks a little tweaked. Yep, front bumper's fine. Oh. Uh-oh. That's rear diff. That was a total brain fart on my... That was a... I don't know what the deal was with that. That was totally mine. Oh, it looks like the center drive shaft is bent. I don't think I have a Typhon center drive shaft. Might have to go buy some. Or see if I can straighten this one. I might be able to straighten it. So the drive shaft is just a little on the bent side, and unfortunately, I don't know how well you can see that, but how about the chassis on this thing? Poop. So yeah, maybe I just need to order an M2C chassis for this guy and just get that all taken care of. I'm surprised that wing mount didn't just break right off though. That's really surprising, because that was, I mean, right on the tail. Man, it does look like it pulled a little bit out, but for the most part, it looks there. I think it's usable, so that's not going to hurt my feelings. So rod end, chassis, drive shaft, oh well, just another day of bashing.